Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will be telling you how you can play Pegaxy, the horse racing game on Metamask app on your mobile device. So first of all, go to Play Store or App Store according to your device and search for Metamask. Then download it. After downloading is complete, just open it up. You can either create a new wallet or use your existing secret phrase to log into your existing account. And after opening your account, make sure that you change the network and add Polygon network to your MetaMask. For that, click on top where wallet is written, and here you will see different networks. So you won't be able to see Polygon network here. Then click on add a network. And here in the popular section, you will be able to see Polygon mainnet. Just click on add, approve, switch to network, and then you have switched from Ethereum to Polygon network now. Then click on top left corner, the three lines, and here go on browser, search for Pegaxy, then click on first link, then click on the three lines on top right. Here click on play now, choose the browser option, and then select MetaMask, connect, sign in. And that's how you play this game on your Metamask app. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.